Afternoon YouTube on a slightly dull but still relatively mild afternoon. I'm just leaving Abergavenny now, heading up to Dom's bike stop. I've had to have a change of plan on my route. I'm running later than I intended and there's a little bit of drizzly rain in the air, so I've just put the route in the sat nav. I'm going to go with what that's saying. Not quite what I had planned, but yeah, it's going to take me via Hereford, I think, which is the route I would have been taking coming back as well. But it's just over an hour from here, so going the other route, which I was going to take, it's nearly another half hour on top. I'll go with the sat nav. Plus there is a road closure somewhere the other side of Abergavenny. I don't think that would have affected me, but it's needs must, so to speak, because I still want to go after Dom's to my final destination at Ludlow. That's the OIT intentions of this ride, to eventually get up to Ludlow.
300 yards, cross the roundabout, second exit, then bear left.
Going a route I haven't done now.
Bear left.
So at least it's a route I haven't done, so Hereford 23. Let's enjoy it and hope the rain stays off. I had a few bits and pieces while I had a coffee there, a few splots in the air. See what this road's going to be like. I've never done it. Up to Dom's for me lunch, and up to Ludlow, and hopefully the weather's going to be okay that I can get the drone up for the castle if I can find somewhere safe to do it. Got a little bit of mizzle in the air now as well. It'll get a bit of speed up, she should start to cool down again quite quickly, so I might have to try and find an alternative route back. I'm still going up the Ludlow even though there's a bit of drizzle in the air. If I can't get the drone up, I can't. I can still take some photos. Don't think this rain's going to be a lot. Clear blue sky over there, look. Yes. Sun's coming out again now, look. The humming star. Heading towards Shrewsbury and Ryder now. American Diner. That's the one which Serena mentioned last night, I think. Find it. Well, at my lunch stop, see what this is all about. It's been voted the #1 bike stop in the country, so bit gritty in here, mind you, so I'm going to have to go careful. Right, let's grab a bite to eat and I'll speak to you later. Afternoon again YouTube. Well, I've just had a quick bacon batty and a tea at Dom's bike shop stop. And to be honest, on my honest opinion, I don't know what all the fuss is about with this place. I wasn't really that impressed. It's a nice location, but compared to a lot of other bakers' cafes and everything I've been to, they were expensive. That's one of the reasons I only had a batty. It's over £8 for an all-day breakfast. Right, off now to my final destination. See if I can get out of here without dropping the bike on this gravel. I won't be recommending this as a possible ride out for the Zets group. All the raves that get, yeah, it's in a nice location.
200 yards, turn left, then go right on the roundabout.
Right, I'm off to Ludlow now. Then I've got to try and plan a route back, which hopefully I can avoid going through Hereford. Because that was a nightmare, and there's roadworks on the main road getting back into Hereford as well, which was a nightmare. The only problem is I got funny feeling the only alternative route is going to be motorway.
Turn left, then go right on the roundabout.
Right, let's get to Ludlow anyway. That's not that far.
After 300 yards, go right on the roundabout.
And then I decide what route I'm going to take. Serena and Terry were staying around this area last night on their little week tour around this area on their bikes. Stroll round Ludlow. Hopefully I might be able to get the drone up his way around by the castle. That's what I'm hoping to do. Get a few snaps. Ludlow, 10 miles. Been basically a nice ride out there, apart from that bit through Hereford. Whether I'll be able to find an alternative route back avoiding that, I don't know. There probably is one, but it would probably take me onto the motorway at Worcester or Gloucester, somewhere around that area, which I don't really want to do if I can help it. Nice stretch of road this. Welcome to Shropshire. I'm enjoying this bit of the ride. It's just a pity I know what I've got to come possibly going back, but we'll just have to see what happens. I won't put in the Hereford part of the route. I'll skip that bit and see if it does take me round Hereford or not, instead of through it. Fortunately, I don't think it will. Ludlow. Just head to the town centre area and find somewhere to park up. Have I put my heated seat on? I must have done. Don't know whether it was working, mind you. Right, I'm nearly in Ludlow now. So just got to find somewhere to park up. Have a stroll around the town. Can only assume that must be a set of traffic lights down there for them to have stopped like they have. I can already see some of the old Tudor style buildings which are here, look. It's one of the reasons I decided to come here, but they're enough turn warm. Ever so muggy.
Go straight on.
No, I'm turning right. Head for the nearest car park. This is too far out. See if I can find somewhere in the town centre area to park up first. See if I can find somewhere near the town centre. Should have went with that first time, shouldn't I? But there we go. Have a quick mooch round, see if I can find somewhere first before I use one of the car parks. All depends if this is permit holders in it. Let's have a look. Permit holders are pay at stations, so I'm not stopping there then. That's what I wanted to see. I thought it might be. This is the part of Ludlow I wanted to get into, so
turn right, then bear left.
Alright, and I'm probably going to have to go out to one of the car parks. Try the town centre short stay one. Well, I just gotta find somewhere to park now, ain't I? I wonder how much it is if I gotta pay. I'll have a look. Go down the bottom here, turn around and come back up. I reckon there's a chance I might have to pay looking at it. And it could depend how much it is. I should have asked Gina, shouldn't I, what it's like for parking here. I'll just nip in and have a look at one and see how much they are. Well, these are all disabled anyway, so, and that's taxis over there, isn't it? So I think I'm going to have to find somewhere else. Try this one. Being a car park, they might have a dedicated motorcycle spaces. Let's have a look. Yeah. How are you supposed to get in there? Not very good, is it? Gonna have to leave her in gear. It's on quite a bit of a slope. Alright, I'm here at Ludlow, folks. I eventually found somewhere to park. So let's go and have a meet round town.